Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change graphics settings in T3 Arena. To change your graphics settings in T3 Arena, first of all open up the T3 Arena app on your mobile device. Once you're in the main menu, go ahead and tap on your menu button at the top right corner. From the pop-up, click on Options. Inside Options, click on Graphics on the left. After you do that, you'll end up in this page. In order to change your graphics setting, go to Graphics Quality at the top and choose between Basic, Normal, High or Super High. After tapping on one of these options, your graphic preferences will be applied immediately. Whether that's buttery smooth on low settings or stunning visuals on high, you will be able to enjoy T3 Arena exactly you want by choosing the graphic quality. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.